我而家咧就喺一個 DxO CP Plus 嘅 booth， 咁啊 DxO 係咩嚟嘅咧？你可能知道佢係 DxO Mark 咁樣啦，但係其實佢哋而家咧出咗好多個 software 嘅，就可以代替晒啲 Photoshop 啊、Lightroom 啊咁嗰啲。但係佢哋有咩咁特別咧？咁多個 software 係有咩分別咧？咁啊而家咧我就有 Nicholas 佢哋嘅代表就幫我去解釋俾大家聽。
今次 CP Plus 2026報導係由 iFootage 同埋 DxO 贊助。DxO 有一系列嘅專業影像處理軟件，最出名就係佢哋獨家技術嘅 RAW 轉換軟件，同埋為每部相機鏡頭度身訂造嘅光學修正工具。今次都特別送出呢個85折嘅優惠。
即係呢啲 app 咧，好似好多其他牌子都有出呢啲 app， 差唔多，好似差唔多做差唔多嘅嘢。但係 DxO 咧，其實係因為佢哋有自己嘅 lab 去 study 每部相機、每個 sensor、每個 sensor 相機同鏡頭，佢哋真係去測試咁樣。因為佢哋係做呢啲 software 之前咧，佢哋已經係做啲好專業嘅，佢哋本身已經有 lab 做好多好專業嘅嘢，跟住就整下就點解我哋唔出埋呢啲 app 去做咧咁樣？咁啊，首先咧，we start with the photo lab, I think. So photo lab 你可以見到都係你嗰啲 file 啦，你嗰啲 file 啊 folder 咁樣啦，跟住呢度就有一紮你嗰啲相啦。A little bit like Lightroom.
A little bit like Lightroom. Same way of thinking. Photo management, managing stars, managing labels, managing EXIF data, managing metadata.
Yeah.
But no boring catalog stuff, easy to manage, your computer, your picture.
Yeah, I remember you mentioned that.
Yeah.
佢係好直接，你呢紮 folder 咁樣，咁就冇話唔使話又有 catalog， 又要分開啲唔知咩鬼 catalog 咁樣嗰啲嘢。咁啊，同埋佢係有 DxO 佢自己嘅 magic。你講啲 DxO magic。
Let me show you. This is the core of the DxO magic. This is the DxO modules. In Paris, we are calibrating all sensors, so all cameras, all lenses, in order to apply the magic. This is a RAW file, okay? Let's zoom in a bit. It's a bit noisy.
Yes.
It's not perfect. And when I'm doing that, and now it's fully clear. You can see here it's noisy. If I go there, here it's clean. And this is not just about magic. This is science.
即係你可能覺得Lightroom 都好似有嗰啲咩 lens profile 啦，但係 DxO 其實係第一個做呢啲 lens profile， 而且係佢哋自己有個 lab 去做呢啲 profile。
Some tools are more creative. There is something named FilmPack, where you can discover the history of photography, and you can apply a look on your image as easy as I click, I choose, I click, and that's it.
我哋已經一跳就跳咗去講呢個 FilmPack 啦，因為咧佢哋咁多個唔同嘅 software 咧，其實都係互補去 integrate 可以一齊用咁樣嘅。咁呢個 FilmPack 咧就係你可以揀唔同嘅，即係將你嗰個 RAW file 轉唔同嘅菲林嘅效果，但係咧就唔係淨係一個 filter， 因為佢哋係即係佢哋做開係 calibrate 嗰啲 sensor 啊，study 佢唔同嘅 character 咁樣，所以佢哋用翻同一個知識 apply 落去 study 啲菲林。Can you show us all the not all? Maybe there's a lot. I'm actually here.
Do you remember the T-Max 100, which is not available? Do you remember the famous 3X 400, which is so famous? Do you prefer a Polaroid? Do you want to come back to the Polaroid stuff way of thinking? Or do you prefer something more creative like lomography?
And this is not just simple filter. It's actually like different.
No, it's not a filter, it's an emulation. It's a scientific emulation of the chemical.
Yeah.
In fact, it's transforming the chemical reactions into a digital emulations.
We have covered Photo Lab, we have covered FilmPack,
PureRAW?
PureRAW.
Yeah. you don't want to change your raw photo editing software.
Yeah.
You are happy with Capture One. You are happy with Silky Pix. You are happy with Lightroom. You are happy with Photoshop.
Yeah.
You are happy with what you want. That's nice. What I propose you is to be more than happy. It's to add one single step in your workflow, which is
So this is CR2.
This is a CR2.
呢個係個 Canon 嘅 RAW。
exact. I'm clicking on the process with preview button. I'm gonna zoom a bit for you to see it in action. Before,
Okay.
it's noisy. After, it's clear.
That's quite a difference。因為佢呢個係唔係佢係將你個 Canon RAW 你可以 convert 去 DNG， 但係就有一啲 lens correction 啊，你可以有呢個 sharpening 同埋 denoise， 但係用 DxO 嘅科技。
So, select your output. Either a DNG, you want a DIF file, you want both of them, you want a JPEG on top of it.
Quick.
So select what you want.
Yeah.
I'm gonna select the DNG file only. I'm gonna click on process. It's gonna make the magic.
轉咗 DNG， 於是咧你就可以用翻你用開嘅，即係你唔使完全放棄晒你用開嘅 software， 但係你可以用 DxO 嘅科技。
Exactly. You can use it from the Finder. I'm here. I'm gonna select multiple raw file. Okay, 1, 2, another raw file. I'm just gonna right-click and I'm gonna select to export with PureRAW. So I even don't need to enter PureRAW in order to get the raw file processed.
Yeah, just a few clicks.
Let's move on the creative side of photography.
Yeah. Next collection.
Sometimes it's a bit boring to edit picture.
Yeah.
You know, it's about sliders. You can't see the result directly.
The level.
Yeah, that's not the most, let's say, exciting part of photography.
Yeah.
But with the Nick collection,
Next collection 係有一集 plugin， 其實你係可以喺其他 Photoshop 嗰度用嘅。
inside Photoshop, plugin of Lightroom,
Lightroom.
plugin of Photolab, standalone application.
Yeah.
You have the choice.
同埋佢自己亦都係一個 standalone 嘅 software 咯。
You want to switch from this flat picture to that, but you are not super happy, you want to switch to that. You want to switch to that. Let me compare for you to see before after. You want to add a border, maybe, and you want to do all that, keeping the control, being able to say no. I want to play a bit with the slider. I want to put some black. I want to put some white, and so on and so on and so on. The Nick collection is a way to stay for 30 seconds with an image or for 2 hours. It's you. You are choosing. It's never a pain. It's always a fun, and it's really accurate, even in terms of image science.
And so we move on to the next thing.
Viewpoint. Viewpoint, it's about perspective management, but not only perspective management. You know, when you are shooting wide-angle lenses, there are some tricky stuff. Edges are not exactly refined.
Something almost like that，即係因為平時啲鏡頭嘅 distortion 咧，佢唔係淨係你除咗呢啲斜嘅之外咧，你係喺中間嘅 distortion 同喺角落頭嘅 distortion 有少少唔同嘅。
This is a wedding picture. It's not an architectural picture, it is a wedding picture, a group picture. This guy.
Yeah.
This guy is not fat. Look at him. This guy is tall. This guy is not fat. This guy is tall. Adjustment depending where you are in the frame and depending the lens you are using. And if
It
you,
depends on the lens as
oh
well.
yeah, obviously.
Always come back to
Always come back to the
lens
DNA of
profile.
DxO. Exactly.
即係我都冇諗住執 perspective 咧，應該係影建築啊、室內設計先有用，但係其實係你就算用 wide angle， 你就算影 wedding， 你就算影 group photo 都係有。即係如果你係去到好認真，你就算影一張好似頭先嗰個結婚相咁樣咧， 你真係佢嗰少少變形，你係應該要執咗佢。但係如果你用其他 software，可能要花好多時間咯，因為你中間就冇問題，你係側邊有問題咁樣啊嘛。I think that's it. Thank you very much.
That's it. Thank you very much for you. To you, sorry.
咁啊，到最後咧，當然要講多次咧，呢條片呢一個成個 trip 啊，係 DxO 同埋 iFootage 贊助嘅。咁就唔好忘記，我有呢個85折優惠碼，你就可以買任何一個 DxO 嘅 software，或者買晒佢全部，都係85折，一次過俾晒，冇呢個訂閱 subscription 咁樣嗰啲嘢嘅。但係亦都你可以免費去試佢哋所有嘅 software 啦。咁就所以就係咁啦。希望大家理解多啲呢個 DxO 有乜嘢用，同埋佢背後嘅科技、背後嘅技術係點樣。咁啊，大家可以試下呢個 Photo Labs 啊、Next Collection 啊，同埋其他嘅 plugin。